We are going scuba diving again. We didn't think we'd get to go again, but here we are. And we're going alone. Just Leah and I, not my parents. And it's my first time ever diving without my dad.
Me too.
And Leah here, I guess. So we'll stay tuned and we'll keep you updated on how it goes. Hopefully this will be a little bit of redemption for me, because last time I had some trouble with my BCD because of my own stupidity. So yeah, hopefully this time it's redemption. And it also was a shark dive again, so.
Oh, it is?
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
Woo-woot. better now, but my body feels pain.
How many times did you puke?
Puked 3 times. I beat my record from last time. But it's over now. So now I can actually eat some snacks that I puked out.
Good. This is what happens after you dive and throw up.
The last couple videos we posted about diving and this video were all done with Pura Vida Divers. This is not a sponsored video. My parents both work there. It's a really, really great dive shop. They love it so much. If you guys are ever in West Palm Beach, Florida, Riviera Beach, it's located on Singer Island. They are really great people and they lead some really, really great dives. So please go have fun with them and maybe you'll meet my cool parents. Thanks for watching. Join us next week as we enjoy some freshwater springs in Florida.